ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம இப்போ பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கிறது அசிஸ்டன்ட் டைரக்டர் ஆஃப் ஹார்டிகல்ச்சர் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் போஸ்டிங்க்கு உண்டான சிலபஸ். ப்ரீவியஸ் வீடியோவில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 431 வரைக்கும் நான் உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சர் கீ போட்டிருந்தேன். இப்போ 432 ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம். ஃபாலோவிங் ஸ்பீசிஸ் ஆஃப் சிட்ரஸ் கேன் பி ப்ரோபகேட்டட் த்ரூ கட்டிங். A. Sweet orange. B. Sweet thyme. C. Guxy lime. D. None of above. The right option is B. Sweet lime. 433rd question. Following species of citrus can be propagated through layering. A. Sweet orange. B. Sweet lime. C. Guxy lime. D. None of above. The right option is C. Guxy lime. 434th question. In Punjab, most of fresh vegetable production is carried out. A. Near cities. B. Near rivers. C. Near canals. All of the above. The right option is A. Near cities. 435th question. Which of the following crops has high sulfur content? எதில் நிறைய sulfur content இருக்கு? A. Garlic. B. Onion. C. Radish. D. None. உங்களுக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இது ரொம்ப ஈஸியான கொஸ்டின். ஆன்சர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா B. Onion. During propagation through cutting, which hormones are used for root promotion? A. ABA. B. Ceratics. C. NAA. D. All the above. The right option is B. Ceratics. 437 question. Eukarya was originated from South Pacific, South Asia, Far East, Middle East. Right option is South Pacific. Rubber plants can be propagated through aerial layering, cutting, all above, none of above. The right option is C. All above. Silver oak produced seeds after age of 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. The right option is C. 10 years. 440 question. Which of the following plants are used for extraction of scent? ரொம்ப ஈஸியான கேள்வி. ரோஸா, மர்வா, சிட்ரஸ், ஆல் ஆஃப் above. நீங்கள் ரோஸ்னு தயவு செஞ்சு தப்பாக எழுதிடாதீங்க. இட்ஸ் சிட்ரஸ். 441 question. The first ever auxin discovered was IBA, IPA, IAA, none of above. The right option is C. IAA. 442 question. Mowing of grasses in winter is recommended after 20 to 30 days, 30 to 40 days, 40 to 50 days, both the B and C. The right option is D. Both B and C. That means 30 to 40 days and 40 to 50 days. 443rd question. Match the type of greenhouse or A. Evans pond. B. Lean-to. C. Oats pond. D. A and B. The right option is D. A and B. At the time of transplanting, weight of date plant sucker should be 5 to 10 kilogram, 10 to 20 kilogram, 20 to 30 kilogram, less than 5 kgs. The right option is B. 10 to 20 kilogram. 445th question. Following plants are propagated through seed. Murva, bottle palm, none of above, all the above. The right answer is D. All the above. 446. Citrus seeds can be stored with charcoal at following temperature in dry condition. Citrus fruits நம்ம சார்கோல் கூட கலந்து எந்த டெம்பரேச்சரில் பதப்படுத்தலாம்? ஆப்ஷன் A 0 to 3 degree Celsius. B 3 to 10 degree Celsius. C 10 to 15 degree Celsius. D above 15 degree Celsius. The right option is B. That means 3 to 10 degree Celsius. 447 question. Seed germination percentage of rough lemon is A 50 to 60%, B 60 to 70%, C 70 to 80%, D 80 to 90%. The right option is B 60 to 70%. 448 question. Most serious insect pest of apples or codling moth, fruit fly, all above, none of these. The right option is A, codling moth. 49th question. Post harvest fumigation of citrus used to be done with thiobendazole, B, ethynyl dibromide, C, above both, D, none of above. The right option is B, ethynyl dibromide. 415th question. Soil compaction dash yield of potato. Increase, decrease, does not affect, unknown. இதில் நல்ல கரெக்டான ஆப்ஷன் எது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா decreases. 451 question. Cost benefit ratio in potato production should be A, 1:5, B, 1:10, C, 10:1, D, both A and B. The right option is D, both A and B. 452 question. Talsa is a variety of potato very suitable for the region of Peshawar, Tandodam, Mirpurkhas, Sahiwal. Right answer is A, Peshawar. 453 question. Yield of carrot is maximum at pH A, 6.5, B, 7.5, C, 8.5, below 6.5. The right answer is A, 6.5. 454th question. Temperate varieties of carrot have dash life cycle: annual, biennial, perennial, unknown. The right option is B, biennial. 455th question. Which of the following vegetable is called as poor man food? Carrot, onion, radish, potato. The right answer உங்களுக்கு எல்லாமே தெரிஞ்சது தான் வெங்காயம். அதுதான் வந்து poor man foodன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. பட் இப்போ நம்ம வெங்காய விலையை சந்திக்கவே முடியறதில்ல. ஓகே. 456 question. Which of the following factor is most suitable for good onion production? High temperature, long photo period, none of above, all above. The right option is D, all above. Next question. 457. Green potato tuber is inedible due to carcinogenic, B, hardness, C, hollowness, D, none of above. The right option is A, carcinogenic. Okay friends, let us see in the next video. Until then, bye from you.